Very good morning, students. In last session, we discussed classification of organic compound based on the pattern of carbon chain. In this session, we are going to discuss about classification of organic compound based on the kind of atom. In this, first hydrocarbons. This hydrocarbon classified into three, that is alkane, alkene, and alkyne. This is alkane, alkene, alkyne. The alkane means carbon-carbon single bond, alkene carbon-carbon double bond, alkyne carbon-carbon triple bond. From these three, alkanes is saturated because carbon-carbon single bond is present in alkane, so it is called saturated. Alkene and alkyne, it having double bond and triple bond, double bond and triple bond, so it is called a unsaturated compound. So the general formula of alkane and alkene alkyne is alkane CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, alkyne CnH2n minus 2. First alkane. Alkane is a saturated compound, that is carbon-carbon single bond. Number of carbon atom 1. We should apply n is equal to 1 in this formula. We can get first member. First n is equal to 1, C1 H2 into n, that is 2 into 1 plus 2. C1 H2 units are 2 plus 2, that is C1 H4, that is CH4, that is called methane. Meth is a prefix, that is number of carbon atom 1, so prefix is meth. Ane is a suffix, so methane. The same way, number of carbon atom is 2. Apply the n is equal to 2 in this formula. We can get C2 H 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 plus 2. Next, C2 H2 2s are 4 plus 2. C2 H6, that is 4 plus 2 H6. So number of carbon atom 2. So the prefix is eth, suffix is ane. This ane. So ethane. The same number of carbon atom 3. N is equal to 3. Apply this formula. We can get C3 H2 into 3 plus 2. Next, C3 H2 3s are 6 plus 2 and C3 H8, that is called propane. Number of carbon atom 3, that is prop, suffix is ane, propane. And then 4, we should apply n is equal to 4 in this formula. We can get C4 H2 into 4 plus 2 and then C4 H2 4s are 8 plus 2, that is C4 H10. This compound is called butane. C4, number of carbon atom 4, that is prefix is but, ane is suffix, butane. And then alkene. Alkene, carbon-carbon double bond. The common general formula of alkene is CnH2n. Number of carbon atom 2. Because why the number of carbon atom 2? Why we should not use 1? Because in alkene minimum 2 carbon atom needed, because the double bond must present in between the carbon and carbon, so minimum 2 carbon need. So the number of carbon atom started with 2. We should apply 2 is equal, n is equal to 2 in this formula. We can get C2 H2 into 2, that is C2 H4. This element is called ethene, that is C2 means number of carbon atom 2, so the prefix is eth, suffix ene, so ethene. The same number of carbon atom 3, we should apply n is equal to 3 in this formula. We can get C3 H2 into 3, so C3 H2 3s are 6. This compound is called propene. The same number of carbon atom 4, C4 H2 into 4, we can get C4 H8. This compound is called butene. The same 5, for apply the n is equal to 5 in this formula, we can get C5 H2 into 5, that is C5 H10. So this compound is called pentene. So ethene, propene, butene, pentene. And then alkyne, the same, the carbon-carbon bonded with triple bond. So the general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Alkane CnH2n plus 2, but in alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Number of carbon atom minimum 2, because triple bond present between the carbon, so minimum 2 carbon atom needed. So number of carbon atom is 2. Apply n is equal to 2 in this formula. we can get C2H2 into 2 minus 2. C2H2 2s are 4 minus 2, that is C2H2. This compound is called ethine. Number of carbon atom 2, so the prefix is eth, the suffix is yne, ethine. The same number of carbon atom 3, apply n is equal to 3 in this formula, we can get C3H2 into 3 minus 2, that is C3H2 3s are 6 minus 2. Next C3H4, this compound is called propane. The number of carbon atom 3, so the prefix is prop, the suffix is yne, propane. The same number of carbon atom 4, we can get C4H2 4s are 2 into 4 minus 2 and C4H2 4s are 8 minus 2, that is C4H6. This compound is called butane. Next 5, number of carbon atom 5, n is equal to 5, we should apply n is equal to 5, we can get C5H2 into 5 minus 2, that is C5H2 5s are 10 minus 2, that is C5H8. This compound is called pentane. So this is alkyne. Thank you.